Good morning friends, once again I am with the mathematics chapter 3 of standard 10. It is linear equation in two variables. Now I am going to explain exercise 3.6 because it is very close related to the elimination method. We had learned graphical method, we had learned substitution method, we had learned cross multiplication method, and we had learned elimination method. So all these four methods we had learned regarding to textbook, and you must do all these sums. And now exercise 3.6, it is unique, it is a little bit twisted, so that I am explaining the sums of NCERT on the board. So first question I had written on the board, so look at the board carefully. I am explaining that. So here question is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Second equation, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. In the question, we are not given in the form of linear equation, because in linear equation the variable will never in denominator. Otherwise it will not become a linear equation. So we have to convert the equation in the linear form by considering the unknown value. It is a and b. So let 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. So in equation wherever we can see 1 upon x, we will put a. In the equation whenever we can see 1 upon y, we will put b. So concentrate here. It is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. 1 upon x means multiply a, plus 1 upon 3 multiply 1 upon y means b. It is equal to 2. So a multiply 1, so a upon 2. Friends, this a multiply with numerator only. So many students make mistake here in this step. It is a, it means it is the numerator. It is multiply with a only. It will not multiply with 2. Mind well friends. So a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2. Once again we have to take LCM of 2, 3 and 1. It is 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1 is 6. Now 3 multiply with the numerator. 3 1 is 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 2s are 12. It is equation 1. Now equation 2 here. It is 1 upon 3x. So 1 upon 3, 1 upon x is a. Then plus 1 upon 2, 1 upon y means b. It is equal to 1 of 13 upon 6 means 13 upon 6. So a1 is a upon 3 plus b1 is b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now LCM of denominator 3, 2 and 6. It is 6. So 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 is. Now these two multiply with the numerator. So 2a plus 3b is equal to 13, 1 is 13. Now we have to eliminate either a or b. In the equation here 3a, here 2a, here 2b, here 3b. We can eliminate any, but we consider here b. So we consider b. If we want to eliminate b, the coefficient must be equal. If they are not equal, then we have to take LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3 it is 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So with these 3, we have to multiply all these 3 terms. 3 multiply 3a, 3 multiply 2b, 3 multiply 12, and it is equal to 9a plus 6b equal to 36. Then here 2 multiply 2a, 2 multiply 3b, 2 multiply 13. So it is 4a plus 6b is equal to 26. Now first equation multiply by 3 and second equation multiply by 2. Then we have to do subtraction. Why should we do subtraction friends? Because both have positive sign. So we have to change the sign, and change the sign means subtraction. So here I had change the sign. Friends, whenever we are changing the sign, we must keep in our mind that change word I am using. Change means if we are positive, then negative. If we are negative, then positive. In the question we are given positive sign, so I have written negative. It is 6b, 6b cut. So negative for 4a and positive for 9a. Difference and subtraction. 9 minus 4, 5. Bigger number sign, 5a. The same way, here 0, it is equal to 26 as minus sign, 36 as plus. So 36 minus 26, 10. Bigger number sign, plus 10. Now 5 will be shifted. 5 2s are 10. So a is equal to 2. a is equal to 2. It is not answer beta. Now we have to keep the value of a in either equation 1 or equation 2. I have written keep a in equation 2. Here 2a, so 2 into value of a, value must be put in bracket, plus 3b is equal to 13. 2 2s are 4 plus 3b is equal to 13. Now 4 will be shifted, so it is equal to 3b is equal to 13 minus 4. Therefore b is equal to 9 upon 3. It is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3. Now we need value of x and y. So how will we get value of x and y? We have to put the value of a and value of b. We have suppose a is equal to 1 upon x. So a is equal to 1 upon x here. You can see that a is equal to 1 upon x and value of a is 2. So here I have written a is equal to 2. But what is actually a? A is 1 upon x here. Can you see, friends? Then it is reciprocal. Reciprocal we have to take. It will be 1 upon 2. It will be 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. Now b is equal to 1 upon y. 1 upon y is equal to 3 because b value 3 and reciprocal y it is equal to 1 upon 3. So solution xy equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. Again I am instructing first x means first x, then y, then y. Is it clear, friends? I hope you understand this sum. So keep practicing, look at the board and repeatedly you have to watch the video.